I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study electronics engineering. Begin by grasping foundational concepts such as Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws. Familiarize yourself with essential components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Develop strong analytical skills for both alternating current and direct current circuits. This solid base is crucial for all future learning in the field. Next, dive into core areas like digital logic, microcontrollers, and signal processing. These fields are central to modern electronics. Crucially, gain hands-on experience by learning to solder and prototype circuits on a breadboard. Practice using simulation software, such as SPICE, to design and test your circuits virtually before building them. As you progress, explore advanced topics such as electromagnetics, power electronics, and communication systems. Think about specializing in areas like embedded systems, robotics, or radio frequency engineering. Actively engage in personal projects. Applying theoretical knowledge to practical builds is invaluable for deep understanding and skill development. Electronics engineering is a dynamic field, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated on new technologies and industry trends through journals and online courses. Network with professionals and join engineering communities to share knowledge and find opportunities. Seek internships and entry-level positions to gain practical experience and launch your career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.